and good morning friends, happy Deepavali to everybody. So I have a very amazing patient here with me this morning for Deepavali, I guess. She's had a bit of an unfortunate run in the last few years because of various facial surgeries that she's had. But she's a very beautiful singer. She's traveled many countries all across India and has sung. I just happened to listen to a short song of hers.
It's Janaki Amma's song. நீரென்றும் சொன்னால் மனம் நின்றால் போதும் நீங்காத நெஞ்சலை உய்தால் போதும் மௌனத்தில் ராகம் கேளாதோ மௌனத்தில் தாளம் போடாதோ வாசம் காலம் யாவும் எங்கே நெஞ்சம் தேடும் காற்று எந்தன் கீதம் காணாத ஒன்றை தேடது அலை போல நிலவாச சொல்லென்று வீசமால நேர காற்று எந்தன் கீதம் காணாத ஒன்றை தேடது. I haven't practiced. Thank you.
That was awesome. That was awesome. So I'm really glad that I'm going to be.
I'm humbled, sir.
Oh no,
I'm humbled.
it's amazing because I actually told her the same thing during my earlier consultation with her. This is the second time she's traveling all the way from different Indian cities. Today she's come all the way from Mumbai. And you know, last time around when she was here, I told her that look, you have so many of these projects coming up, so probably you shouldn't do these surgeries at this moment in time. And I sent her back.
I came back.
And she's come back saying that I have some time now, so maybe I have enough time before this revision jaw work is going to heal up. So the plan for her today is she's got an implant here that's basically screwed with 2 screws on either side. My plan is to take that implant off. We can improve the projection more in the vertical and also a little bit in the horizontal and give it a little bit more tapered look because she wants a better profiling when she's singing from the side. Also from the side she has some amount of extra skin here. Not exactly a double chin, but kind of fat that's beneath the place where the silicone implant is placed. So I'm going to work on that. I'm going to give her a much more contoured neck chin line and a much more hopefully she's going to be satisfied with that. And we're planning this in the evening. And well, thank you again for that amazing song.
Thank you so much, sir. I look forward to it. I'm glad that you're taking me under because you sent me back the last time. You said I'm
No,
so glad.
because
Thank
because of the time. Even now she told me that she has a second singing on the 21st, right?
Yeah, I have.
And I've told her that the shoot has to be postponed till about Jan first week. And she's, with a lot of reluctance, kind of agreed.
Good Lord.
And no, because 21st is like 3 weeks, and I think that's too little a time.
I do really
Especially
fast.
because it's your work, you know, you're
Yeah,
singing.
Yeah.
If you were doing online job behind the computer or something, it's okay, right?
Yeah.
I don't want you to not sing well just because of the surgery. That's why.
Yeah, I know what you're saying. The P's and B's, they
Yeah.
don't meet.
Yeah, the lips
lips
have
do
to
not
move
meet,
well.
yeah.
And you know, you can't expect that to happen, especially with the revision
It will be
procedure less than.
sloppy, yes.
Yeah, that's the reason. Anyway, I'm glad you're on that line with me, or we're on the same
Yeah.
page. And yes, I'm looking forward to your procedure. And I'm looking forward to your much more happier you and maybe some more songs later on.
I'm the happy soul, but I'm going to be much happier now. Like, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Bye bye. And happy Diwali once more. half. Revision or a redo chin surgery. I won't be able to call it exactly augmentation. She has, you can see, these are some lesions, and also there's an implant, there's an asymmetry, there's a scar there. Earlier surgery done elsewhere, implant placed with screws. I'm going to be removing this first up, then we're going to be contouring the chin and augmenting it both in the horizontal and vertical dimensions. Plasty here. This is the segment that is fixed, and you can see we've got it up by about 9 millimeters and vertically by 6 millimeters, horizontally by 9 millimeters. And remember, this was a revision chin and body jaw surgery. These are the implants that we pulled out, which was placed by the earlier surgeon. I've retained one implant here, at the chin region, a small implant, because I want that extra projection, that contour that looks good for the patient. So we're not going to remove that right now.
Hello everyone, we are at the ward, the patient's floor of Richardson's Hospital, and here we are to take a follow-up and let the patients interact a lot with our audiences. You have so far come up with requests to always show the follow-up, just to get an idea as to how is their recovery, is there pain, is there any swelling. So here we are with a patient who's just day 1 post-surgery. Let's see as to how she is, how is her recovery, and basically a small interaction with our audiences as well. Yeah. Hello. Come on. Just turn a little bit this side. Look a little straight. Okay. Open your mouth a little bit. Okay. So this is exactly 24 hours post your surgery because it was done yesterday afternoon, a sort of evening afternoon.
Yeah.
Okay, so almost 24 hours over. First come first, how is the pain?
The pain levels are surprisingly low.
Okay.
Just the throat.
Yeah,
where the
post surgery,
intubation was done.
the tube, yeah.
That was like a little painful the first day.
Okay.
Post
Yesterday
surgery,
you mean?
yeah.
Yesterday evening? Okay, now it's at least bearable,
Yeah, very
coming
much.
down.
It's coming down.
Yeah, it's because of the intubation tube that happens at times.
Having a bit of lukewarm water, so it's helping a lot.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
What about the medications? They're going on adequate quantity, at least the pain is controlled. Say on a zero.
I don't know if I didn't ask for a pain medication. I don't know if I was given one.
Yeah, so you're being given, but the good part is that on a scale of 1 to 10, it's on the lesser side. That's what we
Absolutely.
need post 24 hours specifically, because first 24 hours there can be pain, there can be obviously a lot of discomfort and
Yeah.
swelling.
Yeah.
So we always give doses of painkiller, but even in spite of that, some patients can have more pain. You know, the pain tolerance can be more or less.
Then I'll be lucky.
Okay, but we're good to hear that you are happy, you're speaking, because sometimes patients feel obviously there'll be tightness. What about the diet?
Oh, I've been having juices like I had 4 today because I was really hungry.
You must, which is a very
because-
good point.
Yeah, I've been fasting from 3 days before, so I do not know when I'll be operated.
Yes.
Yesterday and today what I did.
That's a very good point that she made, because before the surgery it has to be nil
Yeah.
per oral, which is you have to be fasting for a certain period,
Yeah,
and then the anxiety kicks in. Post surgery you again have
A
to be
lot of
fasting
time.
for some time.
Yeah.
So yes, overall almost a day goes in this. So as much as possible replenish yourself with a lot of fluids, because even you need calories. You do need calories, good calories for recovery.
You having me ice cream, right, doctor?
Yes,
Oh,
you
that's
can. You
awesome.
can. Even though they must not be very high on the
No,
nutrition
no,
meter, but it's required. It's required post surgery because A, it's cold. Anything cold is appreciable, is allowed.
Yeah.
And secondly, you do get some calories from it, which is good, which is quite good. Also, since because for you it was a lot of revision work. Revision work generally
There's
tends
a lot
to
of swelling, right? So
there
it's
is
little
swelling.
unusual.
In fact, the
It
swelling
bulges
will
out.
increase because the graph goes
Day
up
5,
and then
yeah.
goes
I know
down.
that.
So the swelling will increase in the coming days, and only after that it will come down. And for you, as I mentioned, it's revision work, lot of scarring, intraoral as well as extraoral. Implants have been removed from both the sides. By implant I mean a silicone implant as well as the screws which were fixed, used to fix it. Four. 2 silicone implants fixed with 4 titanium screws. So all those have been removed. Plus there have been an implant here as well.
The chin one.
The chin one, an osteotomy cut has been made, and it's been a combination for the genioplasty.
Oh yeah.
For the osteotomy cut has been
Yeah,
made for the
yeah.
genioplasty, and there are titanium screws and plates which are fixed. So a lot of work. Obviously.
There is like how much percentage swelling is there now?
It's increased since morning. Since the time I saw you in the morning, it's increased, and I
It's
know
gonna graph up till the 5th day.
till the
From
second day.
Second.
So first 2 days the swelling will go up. After that it will go down. It will go down on its own. So by the time you're good to leave from here, seeing you fit in fine on day 1, I'm hopeful you'll have an uneventful recovery. Okay.
I'm enjoying this. They're so amazing. These people out here, they're so kind. You know,
That's
they're
very
so
humble
kind.
of you.
The way they speak, I'm like, I am humbled completely.
No, that's very humble of you. If any case, you can reach out to the nurses in the nursing station.
Yeah.
Any doubt, you can contact me, and
They'll
Dr.
hear
Richardson is
before I
always.
call out.
Okay. Okay, thank you. We'll also follow you up before you
I'll
leave.
send you my photos as well.
Sure.
Like once I'm back now.
Yes, sure.
And I'm looking forward for some of my scar revisions.
You
from the
told
accidents
you,
as well.
yes, I know you want more procedures also.
Just one more. Actually.
Just one more, yeah.
In which there is a combination of these car removal.
Right.
I got like
Right.
hit and runs on
Yeah.
those cars and
Yeah.
surgery.
You also had some surgery in
Yeah,
the
I have
leg.
a
You
rod
told.
leg,
Yes, yes, you told. Okay. We will, but let this firstly let this heal first.
The wound takes what kind of healing time? 4 weeks.
Initial
3 months, yes.
initial healing 4 weeks.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So that has to be your safety period. You have to be careful on that. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.